Most people don't get outsmarted because they're stupid. They get outsmarted because they react too fast. Emotion first, thinking later. If you can just slow your reaction and see one move further than everyone else, you instantly become more dangerous than 90% of people around you. Welcome to ClearGrit. Here we explain why your mind does what it does and how to make it work for you. Today, I'll give you 5 quiet moves that make people underestimate you, until they realize you've been 3 steps ahead the whole time. Let's start with the first move that makes you almost impossible to manipulate. Move 1. Listen 70%, talk 30%. Most people talk to prove they're smart. The people who actually outsmart others use conversations to collect information. When you listen 70% and talk 30%, 3 things happen. 1. People tell you everything: how they think, what they want, where they're blind. 2. You collect information they don't even know they're giving away. 3. They walk away thinking you were the interesting one. That's how you stop getting played and start playing smarter. Move 2. Slow first reaction. Average people lose the game in 5 seconds. Someone triggers them, and their brain hits react before it hits think. You want to outsmart them? Build this rule into your life. Nothing good comes from my first reaction. Someone snaps at you at work? Instead of reacting back, you pause, breathe, and say, "All right, I'll respond to this in a little bit." You now have time to calm your nervous system, choose your words, and ask yourself, what's the smartest move, not the loudest one? That pause is a superpower. It keeps you from saying or doing something you'll regret. While other people are cleaning up messes, you're quietly moving forward. Move 3. Think in second and third order. Most people only ask, if I do this, what happens right now? Smart people ask, if I do this, then what? And then what? Before you make a move, run this mental script. What happens after this works? What happens if it fails? If I do this every day for the next 3 years, where does it take me? Most people are playing checkers with their life. Second-order thinking is how you start playing chess. Move 4. Weekly review. Most people don't live 52 different weeks a year. They live the same week 52 times. No wonder nothing ever changes. Smart people hit pause once a week and ask, okay, what actually happened? What worked this week? Where did I win? What should I do more of? What did I screw up? Where did I waste time? Who drained me? What will I change next week? That's it. While everyone else is repeating their mistakes, you're updating your strategy like software. This is how you quietly outgrow your old self, and everyone who stayed stuck with you. Move 5. Play long games. Last one. And honestly, this is the one almost nobody can handle. Most people want short games, quick flex, fast money, instant validation. So they jump from idea to idea, project to project, relationship to relationship. And they never get compound results. Smart people pick a few long games and stay in them for years. You outsmart people not by being a super genius, but by being the person who doesn't quit when it stops being exciting. That's your long game. Protect it. Feed it. Be loyal to it. 10 years from now, people will call you lucky. You'll know it was just consistent smart decisions stacked over time. If you're serious about outsmarting 90% of people, stay with ClearGrit.